been like sort of coughing and stuff. Like from time to time she'll just cough and sneeze, sort of like sort of like that sort of sound. Does anybody know what's happening? Oh. Like that. Is that like a hairball or what? I mean, she barely goes outside from what I know. So I don't think it could be anything like asthma. But I don't know. You know what it is? If you do, then please tell me. I'm actually getting kind of concerned.